Now, if you're wondering how to exactly factory reset or hard reset any Segway-Ninebot scooter, well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. Now, first thing that you want to do is you want to power on your scooter. So start by pressing and holding the power button for a few seconds until the scooter powers on. This wakes up the system so it can accept the reset commands. Just make sure the scooter has enough battery before starting or the reset might not complete. Next is you want to prepare the controls for reset. Now you'll need to press and hold both the throttle or the accelerator and the electric brake lever at the same time. Holding these controls signals the scooter that you're about to perform a special system command. Now while still holding the throttle and brake, press and release the power button once. This combination tells the scooter to enter factory reset mode. Now it might feel a little tricky at first, but keep all three actions coordinated. Now, keep holding the throttle and brake until the scooter automatically powers off. This may take a few seconds, and the automatic shutdown confirms that the scooter is erasing stored settings and returning to its factory defaults. Now, once the scooter is fully off, let go of the throttle, brake, and power button. This ends the reset command. Now, and allows the system to finalize the process internally. Finally, press the power button again to turn the scooter back on. You should see it start up as if it's brand new, meaning all settings, including Bluetooth, pairings, speed modes, and passcodes have been restored to factory defaults. And that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.